if we talk about all these social institutions, can be formal and informal. All these institutions either can be formal or informal, right? So
Yeah.
formal means something which is in a written form, right?
Yes.
Anything, any sanctions that is in a written form. For example, if we talk about
Laws.
laws, laws mean we are talking about the court,
Yes.
right? We are talking about, for example, the workplace.
Yeah.
And if we talk about the informal, let's say we might say
Family.
family and also the peer group,
Yes. Yes.
right? So what is the core idea behind it? What we have understand so far, that all these social institutions, they will apply the sanctions, they will control an individual actions by telling them what to do and what not to do, right? What is good for
Yeah.
the society and what is not good for the society. So you have to follow those things which are the good for the society, and if you follow those particular things, you will be rewarded, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
if you are doing those things, for example, which are not beneficial for the society, you will be reprimanded. So all this
Yes.
stuff, so by telling them what to do, what not to do, they are trying to control an individual actions. And what is the core idea? The core idea is that we have to bring order into the society, and we are taking the support from all these social institutions. What we will understand, we'll understand that what are the reasons, who will support the idea that exactly all these social institutions bringing order into the society, how they shape an individual action. So I'm going to write few thoughts over here in terms of the questions, then we will answer it. Okay, so the first idea that we will understand, how social institutions bring order into the society, bring order into the society. And next idea we have, how social institutions shape an individual actions. And we have another word or another statement to explain it. Basically, socialization control the way people behave. So these are three statements that we will understand. If we talk about all these three statements, the core
Yeah.
idea is the same. That
Yes.
exactly how social institutions controlling an individual actions. So we have three different types of statements in terms of the question in our past paper. For example, they might say how social institutions bring order into the society, for example, or how social institutions shape an individual actions, right? And
Yeah.
socialization control the way people behave. So in
Yeah.
all these terms, the core idea is that how social institutions basically impact or influencing or controlling an individual actions. So we will
Yes.
understand one by one, right? If we start from, the idea is that how you would explain the socialization, we will start from that word, and then we will understand one by one what does exactly mean. Socialization mean, in easy word or in a very informal way, we explain socialization in terms of interaction.
Yes.
Interaction with what? Interaction with the society.
With people.
And society
Yes.
includes uh, multiple social
People.
institutions, right?
Yes.
So I'm just writing the word society. We are going to interact with the society.
Yes.
So don't use the word interact. just use the word socialization. Socialization exactly means that you are going to interact with the different social
Society.
institutions. For example, when you socialized with the family, then what happened? You learned some basic norms and values, right? When you socialized with the religion, you learned a lot of things. When you socialized with the education, education will control your certain actions. And if you socialized with the religion, if you socialized with the media, all these social institutions, whenever you will socialize with them, and by enforcing particular sanctions, all these social institutions will basically control your certain actions. Socialization we further categorize into two parts. The first is primary socialization. Next idea is secondary socialization. Primary socialization and secondary
Second
socialization.
approach.
Primary socialization, we call it as first stage socialization. First stage of socialization, and we normally refer it as a family socialization, right?
Okay.
Mainly in the family. When you came for the first time in this world, interact with
Family.
family, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why we are calling it as a primary socialization. Your first stage of socialization with the
Family.
family. Now, what you would get from the family, you would understand a lot of basic things, which is very important for the learnings. For example, learning of language, learning of language, basic values, norms, and also roles. All these things we already have studies in our social construction of reality topics. Okay,
Yes.
your
Yes.
family will teach you certain language, basic norms, values, and the roles, right? How,
Yes. Yes.
what is your role as a daughter, for example? Your family will teach you about those things, we'll understand later how. Then how to act within the society, we are talking about the norms and the values. What are the standards of society, what society expect from you, right? Being an individual, what society is expecting from you. For example, if you are in certain types of the role, for example, if you are in a certain types of relationship, for example, if we talk about wife and husband, what are the
Yeah.
values, what society expect from them? Society expect from them to be a loyal, committed, the honest with each other, something like that. So these become the
Yeah.
values. Okay,
Yeah.
these are the core ideas. Now we will understand one of the core idea from the mead. It's MEAD. Mead have explained the primary socialization as in terms of the parent, and he said parents as significant others. Parents as significant others.
Okay.
Significant others. I mention it in double quotation so you understand this is exactly term that the sociologist has used. Okay, so
Okay.
parents are significant others. It's mean that all your basic norms and values only parents can teach, and parents are enough in terms of your primary socialization, where you will understand a lot of basic things, you will understand the
Yeah.
complete basic things, and parents are the only the factors that will deliver or transform all those particular basic norms and values ideas to the next generation. So right, so that's
Yeah.
why we are calling it as a primary socialization, because parents are significant other mean they are enough in your first stage of socialization.